How to create resume templates to sell on Etsy. All right, guys, so you can actually make money online by selling simple resume templates that people are already searching for every day. In this video, I'll show you a step by step how you can actually create a professional resume and start selling them. And the best part is you don't need to design once you're done with the first steps. All right, so like I said, I would be covering everything from finding your ideas, designing parts of the templates, and then getting ready to sell on Etsy. All right. So the first thing is understanding what sells. So we need to understand what kind of resume templates actually sell. Some of the best are simple, clean, and professional designs. They usually do well. If you were to check on Etsy, let's go on Etsy, you can see some designs people have made. You can find stuff like this on Canva. But now, what I'm going to be looking for here is resume. So let's say we want to sell some resume templates on Canva. If you scroll through, you can see friendly resumes. This person is charging about $8, and I believe it's got a 4.8 star review. So people have actually downloaded this. Now, one thing with Etsy is you can upload digital products on here. This is a digital product and it is a digital download. So you can download this template, fill it in with your details, and submit to any business of your choice. Now, what we're looking to do is to recreate this design and also upload it to our Etsy, basically listing it on Etsy, adding our price. So now, if you scroll through, you can see the industry price. It's between $2.42 all the way up to 8. I believe that might be the highest I've seen so far. Oh, the highest here is 10. $10 for a resume template. But yeah, so it looks quite good. All you need to do is head over to Canva. Now, once you're on Canva, just simply create an account. Once you've created an account, from the home section here at the top, click on home, select templates, and then type in resume templates. And you're going to be bombarded with a lot of templates you can easily customize, edit, and use, both from the paid options and the free options. So let's say you're on Canva free. All you need to do is just go with the free options and customize them as best as you can. But for people who are on the Canva premium, it is best to go with the best designs. So you're going to find it here. All you need to do is just click on the design you want to use. So click on this design and then click on customize this template. It's an A4 portrait, so you're going to be, exporting it as a PDF, which I'll be showing you how to do when we're done designing. All right, so welcome to the Canva designer. Once you're on here, like I said, all you need to do is just reset your winning designs. So you can see this is one of the best designs on the market with 4.8 stars and followed by 4.9. If you scroll through, you can see another 4.9 at $10. So now all we need to do is simply take a look at what this person is doing on their Etsy store and simply recreate this for ourselves. It's a digital download. You could see more about the item and also try to include these on your Etsy account when you post it. So include these messages on the listing so people understand how to use it. All right, so heading over to the material we're going to be reviewing and recreating, all you need to do here is simply scroll through so you can have a good look at what you're designing. So this is the first page. It's a simple profile, work experience, company name, education, and skills. If you head here, we can see something like that. We have experience, education, and we have skills, as well as contact and profile. And this is our first page. You can always click on the plus to add a new page and have like 2 pages. I believe this person has about 2 pages of their resume, but it says here 1 page resume. So we're going to be recreating a 1 page resume because of that. All right, so now all we need to do now is edit layers of this document. So it says here fields flex, so we can just leave it like this, graphic designer, and then we have the contact, we have the profile, and so many more, and so many more. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be editing this in a way that it suits me and people who would generally be using this. So let's say I want to change the text color to something like yellow, and then I'm going to be changing all of the text colors to yellow. And then for the others that can't be changed, let's click on the colors here again and select yellow and change everything to yellow. All right, so now while everything is on yellow, I'm going to be changing the background to match what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to be putting it on black, and you can see how stunning this looks as a resume. Now, you can't have yellow on ash because it doesn't make sense. So we're going to be putting in black again, and voila, we have created a unique design. All you need to do now is just delete the image and you can leave the frame in so people can place in their frames. Now, for people who are using platforms like Canva, what Canva offers after a design like this is the ability to share this as a link. So you can share it as a public view link where people can come and view it, or you can simply add people to it and then people can also help you edit. So let's say you work with a team, they can actually get it done. Now the access level is set to only you, so you can now send it to anyone with the link, and then they can access this and download it fresh and customize the colors as much as they want while paying for the link. So basically, you're gonna make them pay for the link. All right. So, like I said, you're just gonna have to make sure everything looks good and usable on your platform. All right, so once you're now done designing everything and this actually looks quite good, just simply head over to the share at the top right. Remember, you could share as a link or you could create a custom link using your premium account. All you need to do is just click on download here, select it as PDF or select as PDF print, it depends. And then you could easily compress it and include a password. So you could enter a password and then create a password yourself so people actually have to pay to access this stuff. All right, guys. So that's it. That's how you can easily go about, creating your own content. Then for the listing, just head over to Etsy, sign into your account or create an account for yourself, and then simply list the product on the Etsy store. All right.